Lamp replacement for the P900 unit. Always wear cotton gloves when changing the lamp. Unplug the unit. Turn it face down and place it on an even surface. Remove the 4 screws from the lamp access door. Hold the old lamp by its ceramic tip and unplug it from the white socket. Turn and press the clamp to detach the old lamp and remove it. Remove the new lamp from its packaging. Insert the lamp in place. Press and turn the clamp to attach it. While holding the ceramic tip of the new lamp, plug it into the white socket. Close the access door. Then secure it back with its 4 screws. Unit can now be plugged in.